If you're a student studying math and you use a math textbook, you probably wondered, why are the answers in the back of the book only given for odd questions? Sometimes it can be frustrating, sometimes just perplexing. Why? What is the reason? So today we're going to talk about the 5 reasons why I believe textbook makers actually only give you the answers to odd numbers. Here we go. When trying to figure out how to give partial credit as a teacher, it can be challenging, especially when problems don't require a great amount of work. You're really grading for correctness. And if you want to grade accurately based on what a student is able to do, it's important that you have a set of problems available that don't have answers in the back of the book. So this is one reason why textbook manufacturers might only provide the answers to the odd subset of questions. Reason number 2 as to why textbook makers even give the answers period to any of the questions is because it really helps the learning process and it helps students grow in terms of being able to check their own work. For very difficult questions that are really hard to crack, sometimes you can take a look at the answer and it doesn't show you the path, doesn't show you how to get there, but it may give you an idea of where you need to end up. And that little bit of insight can be the spark into figuring out the mechanics of a really difficult, long, and windy math problem. The third reason why textbooks likely only give half the answers is because at the end of the day, math really is all about the struggle. If you give all the answers to students where they can check everything or quickly blaze through their homework, you're robbing them of the opportunity to sit there and ponder when they're trying to figure out a math question. Spending those 2, 5, 10 minutes on one problem until you get it is so essential in the learning process, because I guarantee you those problems that you work so hard to figure out, you will not forget those mechanics anytime soon. Reason number 4 has to do with creating test materials. If you have a set of questions that have the answers, that's great, especially if you want as a teacher to provide that information for your students, as I know I do. I like to have that information for them to check their work and also to guide them along. But the even questions are a great bank of questions that you can use on testing material because they can't look up the answers. Sure, they might be able to practice with them, but at least that information you can keep to yourself and still use it as appropriate test material. Reason number 5, I do believe there's a slight financial incentive for textbook manufacturers to withhold some of the question answers, because guess what? As schools and teachers, you then have to buy a separate teacher's manual to get all of these solutions to every problem. So just as a reminder, these are all my theories as to why textbook manufacturers only provide answers to the odd questions. I don't know from textbook maker to textbook maker if this is their actual motivations, but it does seem reasonable and it does make a lot of sense. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you want more content from Scalar Learning. Last but not least, a special shout out to one of my students, Cooper, who gave me the idea for this video. Cooper, thanks so much. And guys, see you all next time. Take it easy.